Welcome to the Daily Eco. Today we're talking about phenology. We'll explore how the life cycle of plants and animals help us understand nature and the changes happening on our planet. Let's get started. What is phenology and its origins? Phenology is a branch of ecology that studies the life cycles of living organisms and how these cycles are influenced by environmental factors that change throughout the year. Its goal is to understand in an organized way the stages plants and animals go through as seasons progress. The term dates back to 1849, when Charles Francois Antoine Morin began observing plants and recording their changes over time. His aim was to create a system to study life cycles in an organized manner, improving our understanding of living organisms. What is phenology used for? Phenology allows us to build databases on living organisms, noting when certain events occur and how they vary over time. This information is highly valuable in biology. In agronomy, it helps plan crop rotations. In ornithology, it tracks migration patterns. And in veterinary science, it identifies reproductive periods in livestock. Moreover, phenology is essential for studying climate change, as it shows how organisms alter their behavior in response to environmental shifts. Examples of phenological events. Phenology is divided into two main categories: phytophenology, which focuses on plants, and zoophenology, which focuses on animals. For plants, phenological events include germination, first leaf appearance, bud development, flowering, fruit maturation, and fall, seed dispersal, and leaf fall. For animals, events include courtship, nest building, mating, gestation, sexual maturity, seasonal coloration changes, migration, territory marking, and hibernation. How is phenology studied? Researchers study the timing of each life stage, when it starts and ends, its duration, and the conclusions that can be drawn. They use phenological stations, designated areas in ecosystems where changes in plants and animals are monitored. These stations are connected in networks to compare and share information, providing more accurate and comprehensive data. Factors influencing phenology. Several factors determine when phenological events occur. Climate and temperature influence growth and reproductive cycles depending on the region and season. Photoperiod, day length, affects flowering, leaf fall, and other life stages. Environmental and human impacts, volcanic eruptions, frosts, or human activities like greenhouse gas emissions alter natural cycles. Phenology and climate change. Phenology helps us observe how climate change affects living organisms. For example, earlier flowering can indicate rising temperatures. Historical phenology records also help reconstruct past climates and understand ecosystem changes over time. Importance of phenology. Phenology is crucial for understanding patterns of living organisms and their relationship with the environment. It guides conservation strategies, supports sustainable use of natural resources, and assesses the impact of human activities. Additionally, it provides clear evidence of how climate change is shifting plant and animal cycles, helping us make informed decisions to protect biodiversity and our planet. If you want to keep learning about nature's wonders, check out the playlist we've linked next to this video. Tell us, which aspect of phenology did you find most fascinating? See you next time, ecologists.